Welcome back to Cars Zone. In this video, I break down the full experience review of Audi A3. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press bell icon. Let's start review. The 2025 Audi A3 is a compact luxury sedan that harmoniously blends elegant design, dynamic performance, advanced safety features, and modern technology. Here's an in-depth look at its key aspects. Exterior. The 2025 A3 showcases a sleek and modern exterior, characterized by sharp lines and a distinctive front grille. Standard features include 17-inch alloy wheels, with higher trims offering larger wheels and additional styling enhancements. The overall design exudes a sporty yet sophisticated appeal. Interior. Inside, the A3 offers a driver-focused cabin adorned with high-quality materials. Standard amenities encompass leather upholstery, heated front seats, and an intuitive infotainment system featuring a 10-inch touchscreen with wireless smartphone integration. While the front seats provide ample comfort, rear passenger space and trunk capacity are somewhat limited compared to some competitors. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 A3 is equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter gasoline engine that now produces 236 pound-feet of torque, an increase of 15 lb-ft from previous models. This engine delivers lively handling and a refined ride quality, making it enjoyable to drive in various conditions. Safety features. Audi prioritizes safety in the A3, equipping it with a suite of standard driver assistance features. These include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, and rear cross-traffic warning. Additional available features encompass adaptive cruise assist with lane guidance, park assist, and traffic sign recognition, enhancing overall driving safety. Pricing. The 2025 Audi A3 Premium starts at $39,495, offering a range of standard features that provide good value in the luxury compact sedan segment. Higher trims, such as the Premium Plus, are priced around $42,100, adding more advanced features and amenities. In summary, the 2025 Audi A3 combines elegant design, engaging performance, and a host of modern features, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a premium compact sedan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.